Hi, I'm Peter Sinclair from Hocking Stewart Real Estate in Bentley, and welcome to my market update on Monday the 16th of April. Well, over the weekend, 369 auctions reported by the REIV with a clearance rate of 55%, which is a little bit lower than what it has been in recent weeks. Of course, being the last weekend of the school holidays, you would expect a slightly lower clearance rate. But I must say, we had a number of new properties starting up on the weekend, and of course they're for auctions on the 5th and 6th of May, and the numbers attending those open for inspections were very, very strong. So look, perhaps the homes on offer on the weekend weren't quite up to the standard that we've seen over the past few weeks. Of course, we've seen the clearance rate being in excess of 60%. In our region, just the 10 auctions held, with 7 out of those 10 selling, so clearance rate of 70%, which is really good. You will see quite an increase in stock over the next couple of weeks, of course, for the auctions of the 12th and the 19th and the 26th of May. So expect to see a fair bit of really good stock coming on. We saw some lovely homes this morning. One in particular that's worth a mention, 22 Scott Street in Bentley, which is a brand new home. It'll be around about 35-40 squares in size. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, probably the only brand new build home on the market at the moment. Lands about 730 or 740 square metres through there. And those homes, when that type of home, when they've been sold in the past, they're generally in isolation, so they normally have no competition and have sold very, very strongly. So if you're looking for a substantial family home, definitely get down to 22 Scott Street on the weekend. Now, one of the frequently asked questions that we get now, of course, with the clearance rates being a little bit stronger, but certainly better than they were last year, is auction versus private sale. And we would get asked this question at least a dozen times a week. And my answer is always this: an auction campaign does give you that window of opportunity to maximise the sale price of your home on the day. Now, whether that means an extra 10 or 20 or 30 or $100,000 extra, it does give you that opportunity that a private sale does not give you. So in a market in and around this area that is very, very used to the auction system, by all means, my answer is generally you have a crack at the auction campaign. As I said, there is that window of opportunity. If you choose private sale, of course, the market is very, very price sensitive, and the property can become a little bit stale quickly if it doesn't hit the market well in the first week or two. Because generally in the first week or 2 or 3 of a private sale campaign, you are likely to get your best offer during that time, when the marketing, of course, you're spending more on it, so more people will see your home in those first few weeks. But as I said, generally, if it were my home in this market and you've got a good property in a position that's not compromised, I think the auction system does present you with an opportunity to get that little surprise, and that might mean an overseas holiday, a new car. It might allow you to buy into a different suburb, even if you get a really, runaway price. So anyway, that's just my thoughts. Look forward to speaking to you next week. As I said, lots of new properties starting this weekend for buyers, so there should be some good choices around for you. Have a great week and look forward to talking again next week.